In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to officially remote lock a lost or stolen Android Wi-Fi device. So if your Android Wi-Fi device, like your Android phone or Android tablet or Android watch or whatever it is, was lost or stolen and it was connected to your Google Find Hub account, this is exactly how you need to remote lock your device. Just get hold of a laptop or a smartphone and get onto google.com and just type in remote lock. So once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page. Click on the first option, remote lock, and then you're going to be directed to this page out here for remote lock on Google Find Hub. Just put in the phone number that is associated with the device. So if your Android phone or Android tablet or your Android PC or your Android watch or whatever it is had a SIM slot and you had set up remote lock on that specific device, just put in the number out here which was on that device. Click on lock device, solve the captcha, click on verify, and your device is going to get locked no matter what it is. Now say supposing your device didn't have a SIM card slot, it was Wi-Fi only. So in that case, what you need to do is just log in with an email address that was on your device and then use the second option out here known as mark as lost. So when you select this option, you get a pop-up like this. Click on continue. If your device was online, it is immediately going to get locked with a pattern or a pin that you actually remember. And if you find your device, you could easily unlock it with the pattern or the pin that you actually remember. Apart from this, there's no other way to secure your device or remote lock it, because I have come across certain shady websites and certain areas on the internet that tells you that they could provide a service of locking your phone or even tracking your phone for a fee. Don't get into all those things. Those are scam suggestions or scam websites. They're going to rip you off your money and they're not going to do the work for you. Rely on this specific native application by Google Find Hub to lock or secure your device. Don't get into all those scams. Just be careful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.